eventually though. 46.34 on the Nifty. Good time to get Devesh Kumar of Centrum Capital and ask him what his feelings about the market, our thoughts about the market are now. Devesh, everybody's been saying value for the last few days, but doesn't seem like anybody's in a hurry to buy.
No, certainly, I think in this type of market, only brave people they can buy. But when all the people they become brave, market will be up, I think, by a big number. So what we feel is this is a time where one should look at the stocks he likes, build a portfolio, and for medium term, he should hold it. And we feel that at this point of time, once this a little bit of confidence comes, which may happen in a couple of days, a big bounce back that is possible. But ultimately, it will take market 3 to 6 months before proper confidence building and impact of all the liquidity infusion which has taken place in India, US, and a couple of other global markets. Impact of that also is seen in the market. We also expect that global resource allocators, new global resource allocators are being created. For example, earlier, I think 60 to 70% of FII flows used to be from US and US companies operating out of Singapore and Hong Kong. Now going forward, we'll see in 1 year's time this composition changing in a significant way, where US, Europe, and Middle East, these three may become more or less equally big or equally strong allocators of resources. And till that adjustment takes place, I think FII flows, they will remain a bit lower, and following this readjustment, we will see big flows from foreign segment. Domestically, a lot of money has been mobilized, but I think people are waiting for opportune time, and a change in ownership from FIIs to domestic funds. That is what I see happening in 3 to 4 months, and that's what will provide some support to domestic market. If I look at medium to long-term trends, then budget has been expansionary, so its impact has to be seen. US, we are expecting rate cuts today, and one round has already taken place, so this will work as an steroid, and probably some liquidity infusion takes place in US. So post-April, where one more round of bad news is out, I think US should not give further shocks to emerging markets. So that's what we feel at this juncture.
Look at the quantum of the cuts opening out now for the broader market. 4.2% down on the mid-cap index. The small-cap index is down a whopping 6%, which is why you've got such abysmal breadth going, and at no point has it recovered since we opened up trade. So almost 1,200 stocks now to the declining side. The advanced decline volumes, I think, should come up. That will be an even better indicator of what exactly is happening, because you'll probably see the same yawning gap between the red and the green line. There you have it, nearly 162 million to the declining side. Devesh, what do you see happening to the broader market, even if interest, whether it's institutional or domestic, comes back to some of the frontline stocks?
I think retail and HNI participation will take some time, because in the recent fall, they have suffered big setbacks. And that's where we feel that any bounce back also should not be taken as sign of recovery. I think recovery will be gradual over 3 to 6 months, where broader market starts participating in the rally. And I think in the near term, market will remain choppy, volatile, with small excess of buying over selling, taking the market up by a big number, and similarly a small excess of selling over buying, taking the market down in a big way, as we are seeing these days in last couple of days.
There seems to be complete disenchantment right now in the HNI fraternity, Devesh, about equities. Do you expect a lot of mid-cap supply of paper coming from those people who are not trading stock futures but were owning mid-caps in their portfolio? Do you see more of supply of paper coming in from that fraternity?
If market falls further, say by 1,000 points, then I think they will be compelled to sell. But I think right now people, they are not leveraged, and because of that they will not come as a big sellers. But what is going to happen is, before they become bold enough and deploy more resources, they would like to wait and watch. And that's where we are seeing that volumes in all segments, it's not big, and people are not desperate to sell. But at the same time, no one is in a mood to buy. And this direction will come from institutional players only, which will come, I think, very shortly now.
Any call on banking now, Devesh?
I think banking, we like PSU banking stocks there, and I think the numbers which came out in budget and its implication, all that was overstated, and I think here on they look an attractive bet, and with the expansionary monetary policy also, I think interest rates are going to come down. Expansionary fiscal policy, I think it will be supported by a bit of expansionary monetary policy soon. Although headline inflation numbers are going up, but I think going forward, if US rates are lower, and we will have to align our interest rates with that. And I think with equity markets down, a lot of Indian corporates, they will complain of difficulty in financing their expansion plans. And all that will lead to, I think, a reversal in our stand towards tightening of monetary policy. And going forward in 3 to 6 months, all this is going to create a base for broader market moving up.
Thanks, Devesh, for stopping by and speaking with us. No redemption up until now, though still down about 3.5% on the frontliners. Deeper and worse damage for the now. We'll come back.